Breakfast is served out here on our beautiful little patio. One of the best things about staying here at Old Key West Resort or any of the Disney Vacation Club resorts, if you're staying in a one-bedroom villa or larger, you get a kitchen. And we take full advantage of that kitchen by cooking our own breakfast in the morning. So I'm whipping up some bacon and some eggs. We're gonna sit on our little patio overlooking the water and the golf course and have a lovely breakfast today here at Disney's Old Key West. Because we're doing work from home, work for a few hours and then go enjoy the resort. Tonight we get to go to the Wilderness Lodge. Right, Amor?
See.
Look. Are you happy? I was telling them that one of the best things about staying at DVC is that we get to cook breakfast and you get a full kitchen.
Yeah, we did that a lot with my mom and my sister here in February.
Yes, we did. So I ran to the grocery store yesterday. As I said, I picked up some bacon and eggs. I found a ripe avocado, so we're gonna have a little avocado. Juan Carlos is gonna make some coffee. By the way, they give you Joffrey's Disney coffee for the 50th anniversary, which is pretty good. But we also brought, because you know we're that kind of people, we brought our own from Costa Rica. But the Joffrey's is pretty good too. So,
Do you want a coffee too?
yes, I do want a coffee. The only drawback is whenever you go somewhere else, like you're staying in an Airbnb or like here in a DVC, and you start cooking on their stoves, you're so used to your own stove and your temperature settings at home, and for whatever reason, every time you cook somewhere else, I don't know, you guys put a comment below if this happens to you, where you can never get the settings just exactly the same as you're used to in your own home. Because like my bacon is getting a little crispier faster here than at home, and it's just because I don't know these burners. It's okay. Breakfast is served.
It is.
Yeah. Breakfast is served out here on our beautiful little patio. We've had a cardinal that's been visiting us the past couple days, and gets in the tree out here.
Yeah.
I tried to catch it on film yesterday, and I couldn't see it. I could hear it. Is he there?
I think so.
It's making right now, they make a little high-pitched noise, and then they also have a very distinct calling sound. But I missed it right when I finally saw it. I went to go grab it with a camera, and it flew away, of course. But that's all right. But it's nice sitting out here. Juan Carlos actually worked out here on the porch pretty much all day yesterday.
Yeah.
It's perfect.
More this morning.
Yeah. Because I was doing editing work, I needed a little more interior because of the sound. A little bit of water, a little Activia, boost the immune system, probiotics. Of course, bacon isn't the healthiest, but it's so darn good.
And for that extra protein, butter.
Yeah, Juan Carlos loves this, by the way. Not endorsed by any means, but if you see this in your grocery store and you like almond butter, this is a good one.
Yeah, this is the one. I like the ones that don't have like a bunch of ingredients that you cannot even pronounce.
Yeah, it's natural,
This is only
not sweetened or anything.
yeah.
A little healthier. And it's got this cute raccoon on it, so what could go wrong, right? So there you go. That's our breakfast. We'll see you guys in a bit for whatever else our day entails.
Enjoy this footage of the fountain.
Yeah, we'll throw in a little time lapse of our view. Enjoy.
We have visitors. Donald. Have you guys seen Donald? Hanging by the pool? Alright, we'll catch up in a minute.
Next day,
Next.
what are we doing?
We are going to get the boat and head to the Disney Springs.
All right, so we're gonna head out to the boat now. Ciao for now. Oh, by the way, if you haven't seen, we did a review and a tour of this resort. I'll put a link up here from the last time we stayed here so you can see what the one-bedroom villa looks like. But as you can tell, it is
Quite large.
quite large, quite nice. We've got a beautiful kitchen, living room. Juan Carlos was out there on the patio. Here, let me dial down the... Are you dizzy yet? Anyway, all right, we're gonna head out.